Hello my friends, my name is Malty, and this video is the update for the multi-snapshot to the version 1.1. As you know, in the version 1.0, when you wanted to save the snapshot, you needed to have your project file saved because the snapshots are always being saved inside the folder that your project file sits in. So it was always forcing you to have your project file saved, which I think is a nice feature. But I changed that behavior just a little bit. So now when you're saving under custom location, so basically running the script holding the Alt key, so I'm running it from my FT toolbar, which again is not required to run multi-snapshot, but I highly recommend it. It's a pretty cool script. Right now, if I would just click snap, it would just save the file in the location of the project, so where this books.eap file sits in. If I run it holding the Alt key, it gives me the regular save as dialog box, and I can choose the location where I want to save it. But in the version 1.0, you still needed to have your project file saved. So that protection has now been removed. And just to show you how that works, I'm gonna create a new project and maybe just import something in here, or just maybe create some random art running the using the solid, and I'm gonna use maybe some trap code presets because they always look nice. Smoke sky, that's a good one. So let's see. Yeah, it's a good one and it does nothing. Fantastic pick, Malty. Let's just see, maybe cloud chamber. Okay, here we've got something is going on. Very good. We can move it over here. So now, as you can see, the project file is not saved. It's still untitled project. I didn't save it. If I click the snapshot button, so when I run the script, essentially, it will tell me to save the project file. But if I run it holding the Alt key, ta-da, I don't have to. And it, of course, remembers the last location you saved your custom snapshot at. So this shows me the location that I used before. But still, I am able to save this without having to save the project file if I want to do like a quick mock-up and maybe just try some ideas out and send them to the client or whomever. So that's the biggest update. And there also was a small bug, not for all of you, but for some of you that were running version CS 5.5 and earlier, that caused the snapshot not to really cause any errors or show any error messages or anything like that. It would still work, but it would do nothing basically. So essentially, when you would run the script for the first time, or you would run it holding the control key, you would get this dialog box with snap and save settings button. And once you clicked it, nothing happened. The dialog box stayed open and the file did not get saved, and that's the weird thing, really. Nothing would happen and there would be no error messages. So that was for some of you, not for all of you, but the problem is now fixed, so you can happily use multi-snapshot version 1.1 on version CS 5.5, CS5, CS4, and I think that is as far back as you can go. And of course it works with the most recent versions, so CS6 and version CC. Thanks for watching this short update video. Hope to see you use my multi-snapshot and all of my other scripts, especially simple camera rig, which I recommend wholeheartedly to you. And of course FT toolbar, that's pretty awesome script. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy After Effecting.